back to IGS. So to get started, let's just take a look at our chart today. We're at about 1,042. Yeah, 1,042 for right now. Yeah, day 3. We have 2 more days to see if we can make this one really stretch if the market gives us, and see if we can capitalize and kind of just clean up this previous percentages here. So 1,042, our target is about $37, about $40 today. So let's see what the market is giving us today. So it's 9:20. Just hop into TradingView and got about 10 minutes. And let's see what we got today. Let us see what we have today. So some great. Ooh, gold. Gold was on a run today. So far, you might have a gold move finally. That's gonna be exciting today. All right, so let's just let's start marking them up. We got about 10 minutes. Yeah, nice little form of a double, maybe a double bottom here on S&P, a little double top here. US 30 is in a little bit of consolidation a little bit, but we're gonna keep it. We have a nice little pop here, and we're gonna do the top more than anything, and then we'll do this here as well, and then we'll just do, we could do this here. I mean, it really has did that, but yeah, gold, a little bit of a double bottom, has already broken it around 820. We still have the top here, so let's see if we respect that. And my Nikkei JP, let's see if that is, let's see if that's working out. Got the Nikkei here today. All right, so we got some good momentum here. US 30 is coming down. Maybe I'll have this as a bottom here as well. I really put it at this one, just you could just tell that this was really the level that it was targeting. It just broke through that level. But yeah, let's see what we got today and what we can do. We'll wait for 9:30, and yeah, nice double top here forming on S&P here. Nikkei is looks like it's getting ready to form a double top here if you push this back up. So is gold, which is a good look for us. I mean, not gold, US 30, sorry about that. And gold is just kind of just falling right now. Just not going to get into that. There's just no analysis supporting that right now. But yeah, let's see. I do want to get into that S&P position. I do think that is something worthwhile on the sell, at least. But I also do want to wait for 9:30, so I don't unnecessarily get stopped out. Oh man, I want to get into this Nikkei position. I want to get into S&P right now. We're just gonna hold off on to it. This is looking nice. US 30s with the push here. Nikkei's taking it. Let's see. Oh my god, the spread is ridiculous. Spread is ridiculous. Oh my goodness. If the buyers can come in, gold is tanking right now. US 30, man. How many opinions going on right now? So many opinions. Just go, please. Yeah, you guys understand momentum. These dudes are gonna sell it. And Nikkei's doing well. Let's see if we can get US 30 to follow. Oh my goodness, I put a 3 lot. Sorry guys, I'm gonna have to take that out, which is not a good trade. That was really just a spike. Come on now. They'll come and get me. Oh my goodness. Nikki, don't come and get me, please. Just go about your business, Nikki. Follow US 30, please. Please and thank you. Let's go US 30, baby. Let's go. We're gonna add to that. We're gonna let those ones fly. 28, 30, 29. I don't even know. Who cares about the count? When we hit 50 something or 100, who cares? Let's just figure it out. We'll figure it out how much money we're making. Just not doing math. Gold is finally at this position. Let's see if we'll get a top. No, we're breaking it. This is crazy, guys. If we don't go up today, this is crazy. Oh my god. We don't go up today. This is crazy. No news just came out. So Nikki for the first time is not moving like that. Doubles that break even for that. Yep. I'll take that one loss from Nikki. It's crazy, guys. But this is just what happens with the market when no one doesn't just buy the momentum. And you see the momentum happening and nobody just buys it. Today is today. I'm keeping that US 30 position because it's still floating above that. Nikki is out, obviously. I don't know. I'm assuming we're gonna start selling off soon. Let that hit if it's gonna hit. Yeah. Where would I want to start selling? Yeah, it probably would be down here. Think about buying this when it was here, but let's just be patient with that. We'll add that to gold. It seems like S&P is on the run. Nikki's trying to decide what it wants to do. Gold is hovering. 30 is pulling back. Yep, just being patient, guys. So not too much really to talk about. Everything is just trying to figure itself out. Could be the falling 3 here. Could get another candle here and then another 3. But Nikki is trying to figure itself out, which is understandable. Not understandable, but you can see that it's trying to figure itself out. Everybody has the dip. Gold is trying to either pull back or continue. We don't know. I'm gonna let US 30 get here and we're gonna see where it goes from there. That would give me a little bit more confidence as to what's happening. I could have bought this here with the falling 3 here, chart pattern here. Let's just think about switching my S&P position. I want to switch that S&P position, but I'm just gonna let my brain just take that loss if it's okay, because this is here. If this shoots up, I'm gonna be pissed. So we're just gonna wait till it hits that stop loss. This is when we switch into the sell right here. So is US 30. US 30, I want to get into the sell here, but we're gonna be patient. I don't like spooking my own self out of a position that doesn't need to be spooked out. It does look like that it's finished, but we're just gonna wait. I think gold is the opposite of being deceased. So if this is starting to go up, this might start dropping. Might be forming that double bottom here on gold here. There goes the sell off from, yep, we'll take that. Oh. Yeah, I think that's gonna push. How did it didn't even tap me out, bro, but okay. Okay. Way too hasty on that one. Wait, my spreads on the Nikki is huge. Oh, look at that spread. Oh my goodness. Look how that was crazy. That spread was enormous. Enormous. Like when I first pressed it, it was here. It was like right here when I pressed it. Oh, I definitely reversed it. Come on. Gold, okay. Yeah, this is what Tom is talking about. Where you're executing on what you should be executing on, and then it's just like that's what it wants at the end of the day, which is fine. But it just kind of gets very annoying because you're executing on what you should be executing on, and it's not rewarding you. But it is what it is. Huge sell-off from Nikki. Hopefully this thing should be dropping. Let's just hope. break of the double bottom here. Expected the double top here from S&P. This should be a sell-off. I'm debating and getting into gold. I mean US 30 here, but I'm just not making sense. I just don't get it. Well, that's why we didn't get into US 30. But let's see what S&P is doing. Today is a whirlwind for me. That's just what it is. You know, you ain't going nowhere. You're not going nowhere. Like, I'm not letting you take up my whole entire account today. Crazy. I'm buying it because this is what US 30 is doing, and I'm selling it because this is what Nikki's doing. It's very conflicting, but it's just what is here, right? Nikki is confused. I know that Nikki is confused. Nikki's like, what is happening? But maybe not. Nikki's like, I guess we're turning back around. Just leave that trade there. You have to. Oh my goodness. And you just have to. I don't know. I don't know anymore sometimes. Sometimes I don't know anymore. I'm leaving that Nikki position in there. Because Nikki, I feel like Nikki knows what's happening. I feel like everybody's at a standstill. I mean, like, so what are we doing? Even here, bro. I'm just buying this. Just wanted to see something. I'm selling this, sorry. Market nowhere near that, bro. S&P, you wanna go up, bro? Just go up. 1020, guys. Okay, get me out of that. Out of that. We're finally falling. What are we doing? Yeah, I just went to a 10-minute time frame. I just wanted to see a little bit more of an overview. I'm a little annoyed about the spreads. Nikki a little bit. We got the Fed manufacturing index. It just came out just now. Had the proper sells here from Nikki and a little trust a little bit. Nikki is giving me, a lot of moves here today. From here, this whole move here, it's just very frustrating because, that whole move is worth a lot. I mean, US 30 S&P haven't moved yet, but who cares if there was a move there from Nikki and gold. I should have got into the gold move here when it was about here. Just saw the sell-off. I should have just tried it in here and just got in and just rolled that down. I wouldn't really be complaining. So US 30 is just playing. Everybody's just playing with their trades today. That's what's happening. It's Monday. Everyone's sitting there twiddling thumbs and doing a whole bunch of other things. So hopefully we get this push finally from S&P here. Can we keep pushing, or are we just gonna pull back? We get past the zone here. I'll put it in. Put one more in. Nikki gave me a great move today, man. I should probably be up to rounds. I probably should be up another $100 and something. Just frustrating. What happens is then it starts to come back. It makes sense. You can't expect the market to then give you a whole nother tank drop like that just because you missed the first one. And that's what's frustrating. It's like, you're either on the train or you're not, and you miss it, and you miss the train. And if you try to stay on the train because you think, now it's gonna push because you're on it, it's like, nope, last stop. It sucks for you that you got on one stop before the last stop. That's it. So I'm a little annoyed. It's 10:35. We still got evening sessions coming. Today I'm definitely gonna be trading the afternoon. Definitely want to bring this account back up. I don't even know where my account is right now. Obviously, I haven't looked at it at all. But yeah, I think you know why it takes me out so early is because the spread. The spread is so big that like I start paying commissions like here. So it doesn't even make any sense as to like this is wrong. Like I feel like this where you always start to lose money should be like that number. I don't even think I can even be break even on this thing at all because of the spread. Frustrating, man. Yeah, we're getting ready to go back up green leaf. Nice breakout. That's why I sold it here. Because I saw that this was the box, a little pullback here to the zone here, sell off. Today, I mean, I don't even know what this thing is doing here. Maybe US 30 is a little bit clearer with this zone here, this little zone here, and then the breakout here, tap, and then we got pulled back all the way back. I'm just frustrated. Frustrated. Gold is in a box here. Hold on, guys. Give me 1 second. All right, guys. I'm back. Just not doing well today, guys. Period. Nikki's on the run. Just not doing well. Yeah, Nikki's on the run right now. Just missing that momentum. Getting in when I got in, and the pullback here. Just a lot happening, and I think I'm just worried too much about the account, especially when it comes to pullbacks and things like that. Yeah, S&P now has pulled back, which was good. We saved basically from doing that, but now we're basically coming all the way back down here. I think I'm just gonna do is just kind of recalibrate a little bit. I think I'm just gonna recalibrate a little bit, to be honest. Let's close this out, recalibrate, and I'm gonna see what I can do in the afternoon. Just taking a look at my positions here today. Yeah, I mean, buy move here with the breakout, buy move here. This was a great move on S&P here. I think there was a pullback here, some sort of buying here. And then pullback, and then double bottom here forming, coming back up, selling this momentum here, getting out of the momentum, getting out, then selling it again here, selling it, and then just seeing this end here. I just knew that there was a pullback coming. I think these positions here I'm okay with. This here is decent. Just didn't hold the trade, I guess I would say. Yeah. And then from here, just selling this off was like meh a little bit, I guess, because on a 5 minute, you see that huge candle coming, that engulfing right there. Maybe I should have waited for the second one to form, but it just pulled back and then pulled down, and then this was the breakout, so we sold that there. For US 30, same thing, same motion here with the buy here, which was good. Didn't sell that there at the top, but we bought it. We probably got out somewhere here or something. Having some buying momentum here. We bought it at the top of this after this break here. Just came back down, stopped out, and yeah. Gold definitely should have been in here for sure. Just seeing this drop just to get into the momentum here. Probably would have been decently good here from this point on, and then added another one, kept adding as we kept dropping. This would have been decent. Nikki was just Nikki was a little tough, to be honest. It was pretty tough. I think what I'll start to do, honestly, is just have the box as well. We have consolidation a little bit. I know my brain is going to be a little bit hazardous when it comes into this, because this is going to throw me back into my old strategy with true value and being above, being below, and trading all that, but I think just having this here as a clear momentum of consolidation, especially like something like this here, sometimes it's not there, like S&P is not there, but I mean here it was there a little bit. You can see it consolidating a little bit here. All right, and you see the breakout here and then the pullback here. But Nikkei was something interesting here. You know, the double top got broken, we bought that. I think that was a great move here. We bought that. You know, amazing, closed above. This candle did not hold it, which we saw. You know, and we wind up getting out of that position here. And then we saw the sell-off here. It's actually what I don't like. Yeah, so we got out here, saw the sell-off, and started selling, and then this here was the break. That should have been instant sell, and we did get in it, but we got in like here, which was just like we probably like got in around here, which was just ridiculous. But you know, that happened. I should have had a little bit more of a comfortable stop loss here. Stop worried about the money, just let it do what it's doing, because then it would have dropped off. We saw this here, we got it stopped out. This came with the rising 3 on the 5 minute. They saw the rising 3 here, and that's what I was like, you know, I'm just gonna see something. And I already saw that this was the box here at the top. I can see that it was consolidating there, so that's why I just sold it with the rising 3 here on the Nikkei, and then it just tanked. But you know, we couldn't. Our stop loss was here. It didn't even really touch our stop loss, to be honest. And it just, the spread just instantly just ate the stop loss basically, and just kind of just jumped us into the stop loss, because we would have been well in profit here. Yeah, I'm just gonna reset myself. I'm just kind of just losing that momentum and just kind of like excitement for the market right now. I'm just a little frustrated. But I think overall, just a little all over the place today. I think I was just getting tossed around with the market today and not really seeing through what was happening. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna be back in the morning. Let's just see the damage that was done today. We're back at 838, so we lost about $200, a little more than $200 here today. Today is 29, so yeah. So we had a couple of trades here. Closed long on JP with 27 test trades. Another JP loss. Gold loss. JP. US 30. So, you know, we actually didn't close any winning trades today at all, which is not a good thing at all. So we're just gonna reset, recalibrate. Hopefully in the evening we'll have something there. Just kind of get back in the water and just try to continue fighting. But yeah, just trying to see, what did I really do wrong? I think, maybe the stop loss is a little too strong for me. At the same time, I'm not trying to blow my account. I want to be able to close my losses when I do, which I think I did. I think I did well. I think sometimes they were a little too tight, especially for JP. This was a golden trade right here. Even from here, even if I caught it from here, would have been fine, which is pretty much exactly what the pullback did. And I think I was very frustrated with this because JP really gave me a move here where I can really capitalize on it, and I just missed it. US 30, S&P was just doing pretty much nothing. And I think that was just kind of very frustrating when it comes to that. just trying to get into, a position, try to ride the momentum, and the momentum is just not there. So, but yeah, today was tough. US 30, S&P was tough. It's 11 o'clock right now. We might be able to get one more push here on the sell side here from US 30. This is the last close low. For US 30 it's huge. For S&P it's also huge, but yeah, just very frustrating. And you see, we couldn't hold this here. We saw that it was gonna bounce back because of that double bottom there. I don't know. All I know is I'm pissed about this Nikki move. I'm pissed about the Nikki move. It's like Nikki gives so much more direction than any of the other US markets, like combined. Like this move here from Nikki was 168 pips. Yeah, just frustrating. Just very, very frustrating today. I think I'm just frustrated just in my, like, I don't know if it's like whether my performance, obviously it is my performance, but it's just like what am I really frustrated? Am I really just more frustrated that I missed a move? That my entries were just like not locked in? Was it my stop loss that was too tight? I think I did pretty much a decent job when it comes to like closing those positions. Like when US 30 started falling, my stop loss was down here. I was like, nope, no need to lose that. Close that right there. So I think that was a good call. There were a couple other good calls that I had here. This move here, getting out of this, seeing that we're not going up today was a good call on JP. Waiting for this zone here, seeing that this started falling, getting in instantly. I got in like almost so fast. It was crazy. I got in so fast. And I said, I was like, oh man, maybe I got in too fast. No, but like that was perfect. Seeing this candle fall right here was perfect. My stop loss was just a little crazy tight, but like also too, then the spread was huge at the same time. So it was like two things that just wasn't working in my favor that would allow me to really let this trade play out, which I would have been extremely rewarded for my quickness on that speed. Then getting in again and then having us, so it was just very frustrating. Very, very frustrating today. Just things weren't lining up as easily as it usually is. And then just the headache of a position here for S&P and US 30. What might be good though is because US 30 and S&P really didn't move heavily today in a solid direction, we might have something in the evening, which will work really, really well for us, where we're able to get something done. So guys, it's 11 o'clock. I'm going to just reset. I'll be back at 1, and we'll definitely be getting back into this water and seeing what we can do, see if we can turn the account back around and see if we can gain 3%. So let's see what happens with that. I'll catch you guys in the evening. Later. All right guys, welcome back to IGS. Just kind of getting back into the motion of everything. So we got a couple positions here, S&P here with the buy position, and we got Nikki with the buy position here. I did have a sell here for US 30, but we got stopped out here very shortly. Yeah, we're just taking a look to see if we're able to get some new movement here in the afternoon. We're almost pretty much break even here for US 30, so just a little tough. Yeah, I think also too, kind of just have a good reset and just just clearing your mind and just having a calmer session in the afternoon, forgetting about what happened, or if you don't forget about it, just kind of learn from it. 30 is almost pretty much break even, in perfect equilibrium. All right guys, so S&P positions It's just moving in our direction as of now. But let's see how long that whole. Just being patient, guys. So let's see what happens. Maybe today is the bad day, but But I do think if I was trading like this 98 to 90, almost 100% of the time, I think my returns would be a lot better. But you know, this is something that I'm gonna try and work on, or just being able to trade the whole entire session. When I go into Asia, obviously it's gonna be a little bit short. It really is just gonna be the morning session, because you know it's gonna be 10, 11 o'clock. So it's gonna be a little bit tough. So, but you know, if I do have some holidays or things like that, or you know, whatever the case may be, I'll definitely be able to get into the New York session and try to trade this market and try to trade the rest of the day. So but yeah, I got some good movement here from S&P, at least in the direction that we wanted to go. Don't know if this is going to turn into the golden trade, but part is that we're in profit, and I just keep doing what we've been doing. So just adding. Felt like today it was just like couldn't even close a winning position today. 2 o'clock we might get a little rush here today. We might get something like this. We might, who knows, get something like this. I don't know. The whole point is to just be prepared. So I realized with this stuff, you have to just be ready. Always have to just be ready. You don't know when you're gonna make your money today. You don't know. It's all about just being prepared and being ready. Almost 2 o'clock, guys. So let's see what's gonna happen. Yeah, I think by like 3 o'clock, nothing's happening, and nothing's happening. Yeah, guys, just being patient. It'll be the end of this round to the upside. We got into the re-entry there on S&P and got into US 30. Hopefully we can hold those positions there. He's doing the little movement that it has there, but you get this like little spurt of just movement. And to be honest, I just feel like my trading has been horrible this past couple, at least today. It just feels hard. I feel like I lost so much money today. I don't even know how much I lost. Probably at least $200 today. That counts at 50, 60, something like that. So at least over than that. This is our last hurrah. So we're gonna try and milk it as much as it is, cracking new highs. At least everybody hits those TPs. Like that's solid. I'll be back at 9:30 right now. US 30 was like, well, I gave you that most easily, but I had doubled that already. See, in this zone here, I knew that S&P was gonna buy it. I should have just bought. Not the market. It's me missing in the positions that I need to get into. It didn't go up today. It went down, and it went up again. This US 30 was down. A 2 minute, yeah, you can clearly see it. Maybe it's like, should I be trading on a 2 minute? I have no idea. This is what I was talking about Nikki. Just really just got really pissed off today, because it's like Nikki could have just carried me again, Nikki, and just kept it running today. Missed the train, man. I just missed the train, man. It was just so annoying. You see how close that is? That would never happen. That would never happen if I was at like my stop loss right there. It's pretty much dead on. I'm gonna hold it, guys. We're gonna hold it. So yeah, we're gonna see if we can turn it back around and do that double time. It doesn't even. I'm so annoyed with today. I don't even understand how this was only $15. It was at 15 and this is a TP of 41. That doesn't even make any sense. Alright guys, so we're gonna close these positions out. Very interested to see why this was a TP of 41 and we were here and it was 20. So I would have took this here, but it said 15. I don't understand how that was the case. So I'd take more and that would have been 41. Yeah, we took it, and yeah. This is today, the end of the session today. We finished off. Not proud of. Tomorrow's another day. E62 19. Yeah, same. It's so interesting. 17%. Just can't get out. I can't get out of this little slump here. But yeah, so we're gonna trade that. Tomorrow will be another day. I might hop on Asian session and see if I can get some more, but we'll see. But I will catch you guys either later or later this afternoon. I'll see you guys later.